Hello everyone, today we got a creamy and delicious paneer and peas curry. This is so easy to make and even kids love it. So without wasting further time, let's start the recipe. So I'm dicing 2 onions. I'm going to blend 3 tomatoes and 1 green chilli. After that, I'm heating a pan and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm adding the diced onions into it. So we need to saute it up until the onions are caramelized or browned. So my onions are getting browned. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And make sure the heat is low when we add the spice powders, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli. Kashmiri chilli is milder in taste compared to hot chilies. And then half teaspoon of garam masala. And now I'm adding the blended tomatoes into it. So mix everything together and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes under medium heat. After that, I'm adding half a cup of warm water and I'm just mixing everything together. So close it with the lid. After 5 minutes, open the lid and add 1 cup of frozen peas. After that, add 1 cup of paneer. This is about 400 grams, and a tablespoon of salt. And close the lid and cook the paneer, peas and the spice mixes for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm opening the lid and then I'm going to add an ingredient called kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves. This ingredient adds a beautiful flavor to the curry, but be careful to add only a pinch. Otherwise, if you add too much, your curry is going to be bitter. So here I'm using only a pinch of fenugreek leaves. Add half a cup of thickened cream, or else you can add about 10 to 12 cashews soaked in hot water, blended into a cream consistency. So add that into the curry and mix everything together and switch off the flame. And then finally add half a teaspoon of sugar just to sweeten up the curry. You can completely avoid this step, but if you add a little bit of food coloring into your curry, it gives exactly a restaurant look as well. So now our beautiful paneer curry is ready. And don't forget to try this recipe, and if you want to see any other recipe videos, please comment below and stay tuned. Bye bye.